My name's Paul. I fly airplanes for a living, but my passion is encouraging you to explore this beautiful world by giving you a glimpse into my layover life. Good morning from Kona, Hawaii. First layover of the year. It's pretty successful to be in one of my favorite parts of the world. Today I'm doing something I wanted to do for almost 5 years. I saw a video on the Bucket List Family YouTube channel, and they went out with these people, Jim and Alicia Ward, who have a small boat here in Kona. They do sea life safaris, and I finally get to do one today, and I'm really, really stoked about it. I really hope we get to swim with something wild and maybe see some whales. It's whale season. Should be a good day. Let's go. Right outside the harbor was a small pod of Hawaiian spinner dolphins coming back for a rest after a long night of feeding. These were a great welcome to the sea and were a good sign of things to come.
Hi, dolphin. Good morning.
We said aloha to the dolphins and headed out to find more wildlife. And before long, ran into another pod of nearly 200 dolphins.
Spinner dolphins supposedly can dive to about 1,000 feet, but these dolphins figured out that if they just wait until sunset, all of their food that hangs out 1,000 feet down comes up to within about 20 feet of the surface, so there's no real need to dive that deep.
Jim asked if we wanted to get in the water with some baby sharks. Of course we said yes. And although you can't see any of them in my footage, we did see 5 to 6 tiny sharks swimming about 20 feet below us. We got back in the boat, and just a few minutes later we were passed by a humpback whale. Humpbacks migrate from Alaska to Hawaii in the winter to birth their calves and, of course, enjoy some warmer water.
Oh my gosh.
While seeing the whale was incredible, hearing the whale was even more magical.
It's kind of a grumpy song. It's like an elephant. Awesome. Wow. Thanks, whale.
After saying goodbye to the humpback, we took a short cruise, and thanks to one of the other passengers, we spotted a pod of short-finned pilot whales. Wow.
Best day ever, guys.
Nice. made our way back into the harbor and said our goodbyes, I couldn't help but feel incredibly grateful for the opportunities this job gives me. Wow. Pilot whales. I didn't even think about pilot whales, and they were just there. Holy smokes, that was unbelievable. I even got a top-down shot, which has been on my bucket list for a while, of a whale. Not a humpback whale, but a pilot whale. That was pretty sweet. Okay, I got time for a little more adventure. It's a little bit of a drive. I'll grab a quick bite, and then I want to show you one of the coolest places in the United States. Let's do that. Just got to South Point, Hawaii, which is the southernmost point in the United States. Unlike the one in Florida, which is the southernmost point in the lower 48, this is the southernmost point in the United States. And south of here, Antarctica. Not one stretch of land between here and Antarctica, which is pretty sick. The most popular thing to do here is cliff jump, and I'm a little bit tempted. Lily, Paul.
Yeah. Hi, Paul.
So how was it?
It was an experience. Yeah, it was definitely an experience.
Have you cliff jumped before?
No, this is my first time.
Yeah?
Yep. I was gonna go send it, and then my sister was like, you gotta take all your stuff off. And I was like, oh man, you're making me like wait and stuff, and now I have to do all this, and now I gotta think about it. I was just gonna do it.
Yeah.
And then I took it all off. I was okay, now this chance, I just gotta go.
No regrets?
No regrets.
But you're not doing it again?
Not doing it again. I was shaking the whole way up the ladder.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit.
I think the ladder's the scariest part.
Do
you think so, or was the jump the
interesting.
scariest part?
I think the scariest part was the 3 seconds after the jump.
Yeah, like when you're adrenaline dumped, probably?
Yeah. And then you're like, okay, I need a second to recoup, and then you start climbing the ladder, and then the waves are hitting the ladder, and you're like,
right.
Oh, okay, here we go. So yeah.
Should I do it?
You should do it.
Okay.
Full send!
That's all the convincing I needed.
Cool. Woo, Paul!
Yeah, Paul.
Ready, Paul?
All right.
3,
Coming down, 2.
1.
I think the ladder is underrated.
You want to be on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do. It's probably more popular than mine. Well, that was awesome, and I'm glad I got that out of my system. Quick, easy 40-foot jump off a cliff. We got one more place I want to show you. It's just up the road. Last stop today, Punalu Black Sand Beach. It's literally, I'm walking on black sand right now. It's like, kind of like lava, but it's sandy. Like, it's definitely sand. A little coarser than normal sand, but current is kind of strong here, but they do have lifeguards, and there are lots of turtles in this little bay here. So this is an absolutely stunning place to end a beautiful day. Aloha, I'll see you in the next layover.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.